Okay. The last one, a wrapping piece for everybody. Please be very mindful, because who breaks pace? First law of the fabric.
Nobody can see from behind.
Well, the smaller one should be in front, not on the contrary.
Just move little bigger and everyone can watch.
Leave the show for everybody, don't be greedy. Yeah, we all here? Yeah. And right here. So, okay. Listen closely. I still want to make it pleasant, so yeah, thank you. Don't make me repeat. But try to be very concise. So, just to give you another proof that everything in the glass making is handmade, please listen closely. Even though the technique is the same, we can never obtain the same glass in the glass making because it's handmade. Okay, the weight, the thickness, the shape, everything is different in the glass making. You can never obtain the very same piece. Then again, silica sand, soda, and potassium are the main ingredients to obtain the simple glass which we have just seen now from the master. Okay, but in the ovens in Murano, we have several more. We just need to put mineral oxides to change the composition, which can be translated like dust powder. Okay, for example, to have the royal blue, the cobalt blue, we use cobalt oxides to have the cobalt blue. Cadmium oxides are used to have the amber color. Many people do guess this one.
Magnesium.
Copper oxide for this one. While cobalt and silver to have the light blue. This is the oldest color of all. This is the Venetian color, 1000 years of history, 957 to be exactly. If you go to San Marco, we'll still have to go to San Marco, the windows of the Basilica and the street lamps around still have this very old color. Manganese oxides to have the amethyst coloration. If this is the oldest one, this is the newest one. Just 25 years of coloration. Alexandrite is the name. Cobalt and gold to have the composition of this coloration, which you would call lilac, lavender color, okay? But it's a tricky color, because if you put it under a cold light, it turns to light blue. Mind you. It's a tricky color, Alexandrite. Then again, to obtain the typical Venetian red, which is the flag, red flag with a golden lion, we use tourist blood to have the red one. No. Selenium and gold to have the typical Venetian red. Two words about the gold we use is a 24 karat golden leaf, not 21, not 22. It's the softest carat that perfectly melts inside the glass, metallizing the glass and making it much more stronger than ordinary glass. Only twice, remember, never 3 times. Never 3 times, okay? So this is just the simple Byzantino decoration. We made just 1 layer of 24 karat golden leaf, also to be renowned to be the gondolier glasses. The more you drink, the better the roll. Just 1 layer of 24 karat golden leaf inside here, while on the upper stage, spring decoration, twice the golden leaf technique all around in the laces and porcelain detail. 2 days to craft something like this. While concluding on the top quality of the decoration, this is the Ferrari of the glass making. This is the Baroque style. On the first day the master gives the shape. On the second day the master applies 5 times the golden leaf technique all around. This is the richest decoration of all. And on the third and final day the master gives the porcelain details all around the decoration. And finally, hand signs the masterpiece. Stangerlin in this case is the master that can craft something like this. And as I mentioned before, the gold perfectly metallizes the glass. So even if I do something like this, it breaks because it's glass. It breaks. It's no indestructible glass has been invented yet. Then again, be mindful, because if I do something like this, the glass breaks. Okay, it's stronger than ordinary glass, but it still breaks. Couple of words about what you see here. Most important, if you want to buy Murano glass, you always have to look for this symbol. This is the symbol from the Chamber of Commerce, no lying. Because even just outside this showroom you can find the very same glasses, but the first time you drink from those glasses, the golds come off the glass and you have it on your teeth. You have a very beautiful smile, but you don't have any golden glass anymore, okay? So mind you, be very careful. On the main pieces, the logo is perfectly fused in the decoration. You want to look for this if you want to get original Murano glass and not original Chinese glass, okay? Then again, this was about the technical part, and I'm going over some couple of promotions because the Chamber of no obligation, because the Chamber of Commerce wants us to promote the selling of the glass, starting with this beautiful decanter set, which you can marvel your friends like this. It's not drunk enough. Okay. Something like this. The decanter contains 3/4 of a liter. 6 glasses in Byzantino decoration, normally sold for €650. This week promotion 440. You can personalize your family name underneath in a couple of seconds, or like this is mine, don't drink from it. Whatever comes to your mind in a couple of seconds. If you don't feel like spending €1,200, this is the value of the whole set, and you so damn like that set, say, okay, we have also the romantic set Romeo and Juliet. Remember, red is the woman, blue is the man. Normally 250, this week promotion 160. You can engrave your family name underneath. This is mine, don't touch it, the more I drink, the more I love you, whatever comes to your mind, for free. If you feel to have something more shiny, we have of course the Barocco version of the Romeo and Juliet, 5 times the golden leaf technique all around. Normally 360, this week's promotion, €240. Then again, if you see something you like in this very showroom, be very careful because glass breaks. Everything is priced underneath, okay? So, shukriya, Daniela, for listening. You're free to browse around. Thank you so much for your attention.